What is going on, you guys? This is Chris with Patch Boy Darb, patches for the culture. And in this short video, we're going to do a quick unboxing from our Amazon delivery we just got of some embroidery supplies that all of you can use for your small embroidery business. Let's go ahead and open up this box. I guess I don't really need my knife because the Amazon tape is very easily to rip. We only got 2 items in this package, but they sent it in a pretty big box, which is fine with us. So the first thing we got right here is some cutaway stabilizer, you guys. Let me zoom in so you guys can see what this is. This is from HBI Products. This is their cutaway stabilizer. This stabilizer is the 15-inch roll, and we're going to be using this stabilizer for our larger hoops for the Brother Persona, as well as our magnetic MightyHoop. The last thing we got in this box is some Fil Tec Embroidery magnetic bobbins, you guys. We did receive 5 of these when we first purchased our Brother Persona. I do not know if it was the Fil Tec brand, but we're going to go ahead and try this brand that is on Amazon. So this is also going to be an unboxing for you guys because we have not purchased one of these yet through Amazon. But we do have an Amazon affiliate link down below in the description box. Click that Amazon affiliate link down below to purchase yourself some embroidery supplies. When you use our Amazon affiliate link, not only will it help you with finding embroidery supplies that you will use every single day, it also helps us out over here at Patch Boy Darb, Patches for the Culture. Gives us a little bit of kickback from when you guys purchase any items, which really helps keep the channel and business going. There are mixed reviews, but for the most part, there are positive reviews. As I was expecting, there is a little bit of unraveling going on in the Fil Tec packaging, but that's nothing we can't manage here. Next thing we need to do is we're going to have to take these out and make sure we actually have 100 of them. Let's do that real quick. All right, you guys, as you can see, we got all the Fil Tec bobbins out of the box. Not only do we have 100 of these bobbins, we have 103, you guys. So they gave us 3 additional bobbins. But you guys, we're going to go ahead and start using these embroidery bobbins on our Brother Personas. Once again, these are the Fil Tec magnetic bobbins right here. If you want to look right there, so if you guys want to know where to find it, the best way to find it is to click on our Amazon affiliate link below and purchase it straight through there. What's also cool is with these bobbins, since they do have some plastic and magnetic pieces, they do give you a way to return your empty bobbins, you guys. So we're definitely going to collect our empty bobbins, fill out this return form, and send back the empty bobbins once we use all 103 bobbins. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed to the channel already. And lastly, click that Amazon link down below where you too can pick up various embroidery supplies that we use here every day at Patch Boy Darb, patches for the culture. Peace.